Yo, it's your boy Z Money, bringing you another video. This one will be in reference to the Sony XAV-7000 and the way I got my audio system hooked up and installed. Did all the work myself. So as of right now, the XAV-7000 is powering my 4 front speakers, which are 6.5. Kicker, I don't remember the exact model number, but it's the one for the ATV and boating, the marine life, pretty much speakers. The Sony XAV-7000, as of right now, great radio. Some blemishes, but overall great radio. Has a lot. When I tell you a lot, it has a lot of power. This radio alone is powering my 4 6.5 speakers. And before I installed my rear Rocker Fosgate speakers, people would have sworn that I had this radio, well, the speakers running off of an external amp. Completely false. This radio does exactly what they say it does. Very, very powerful. Give you a little snippet. It's the radio, don't know what's playing. No, we don't want to get any copyright strikes, but you know, the radio is as advertised. So I have those 4 6.5s running off of the radio itself. I have my Rocker Fosgate speaker lids that I cut in and installed in. Pretty good, neat job. The template, everything is user friendly. Speakers are loud, very, very loud. I have them running off of my Rocker Fosgate amp. It's the 400 by 2 amp. Here's the box for it. It is as advertised. This amp kicks ass. Those rear speakers, drop the box. But those rear speakers, I mean, with this system set up the way I have it, I'm kicking ass. I have friends who have really expensive kits and setups and money they put in their bikes, and those radios sound phenomenal. But the clarity and the crispness I receive from this setup, I am more than pleased. My only gripe with the XAV-7000, and it's probably just me because I'm on a road glide, how big the fairing is and how it leans, how it's more so forward. When it's a really bright day outside, I get kind of blinded with the radio. I wish they would have figured out some kind of way to make a better screen to where it's not completely fucking a blank screen. The sun, it's just like a mirror. You can't see anything. I don't think you guys will have that problem on street glides because the fairing is more so upright in your face. But that's the only hiccup that I have. Well, the only hiccup that I see with this radio is just the blindiness. But other than that, like I said, 80% of the time, hell, I don't need to see the radio anyway. But when I do need to see it, it's a problem. But once the sun is in front of you, you're kind of fine, which is still a downfall, but oh well. But for what you're getting, hey, this radio is phenomenal.